Hello kids, I'm Ali. Welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In this video, we are going to learn three-letter blendings of ib and id word family. Now let's blend three letters together. B, ib, b, ib, bib, bib. N, ib, n, ib, nib, nib. R, ib, r, ib, rib, rib. L, id, l, id, lid, lid. K, id, k, id, kid, kid. R, id, r, id, rid, rid. H, id, h, id, hid, hid. Now let's read some simple sentences of ib and id word family. Baby has a bib. Baby has a bib. There is ink on nib of pen. There is ink on nib of pen. Mom is putting lid on the pot. Mom is putting lid on the pot. Man is getting rid of trash. Man is getting rid of trash. This kid is happy. This kid is happy. That's it for today's lesson. Practice this lesson very well. Until next video, bye kids.